How to record your screen with sound for free on Mac. Okay, first open QuickTime Player. Then to the top left corner select File. Click New Screen Recording. After that click Option. Choose where the screen recording results are that you will save. I chose to save it in the Download folder. You are free to choose where the screen recording file will be saved. Then set the timer to none, so that it is not timed when recording the screen. And for the microphone, select the built-in microphone. Okay, then click Record. And after starting the record there will be a sign like above. Okay, for example, let's try to open YouTube for an example of recording. After recording the screen, click the sign above. Screen recording with audio on Mac has been successful and done. Let's check CATALINA. Let's check the result. Okay, the result is like that. How easy, isn't it? With QuickTime Player you can record screen with audio on Mac for free, and the results are pretty good. After that you can check the results of the screen recording in the place you saved. I saved the result in Download. Thank you for watching this video, hopefully useful.